Hey there guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing well. So today is December 22nd and Wolfi is broken again. What happened is on Friday I went down to start the Wolfi in the evening to go to the shop. But what happened is it started to make whine noises, which you will see now. With this Supercharger noises, I have to go to Christos to fix it up, to see what's going on wrong with it. Now you hear the Supercharger. So we noticed that maybe the... how is this liquid called? The power steering fluid is a bit low, quite a lot low, and it's dirty, so we're gonna suck it out and change it. Maybe that will fix the noise.
Don't change it if you suck it down. It's just about that much out of that.
Well, just put the new steering fluid and that's it. So, while being stationary, the car overheated a bit, and because my clutch fan is gone, I guess, so like it's completely gone. Before it was gone halfway, now it's completely gone. And there is this puddles under the car. Okay. Maybe clutch fan would be cheap on the BMWs.
Yes, could be.
But the good news is that the noise that I could hear was just because there was low power steering fluid, which I couldn't guess. I mean, I'm qualified to fix cars and shit like that. I don't know much and just learning on the way. We have one good news and one bad news, which equalized to still spending a lot of money on the car. By the way, guys, we got R16 inch rims because I sold the R17s to Maria for her 3030i because she needed 17-inch rims. So as soon as I sold them, I have enough money to buy my dream BBS style rims, which we'll come and see sometime soon. So after some time thinking, we decided to buy the factory clutch fan because it's more cost effective. It still works and it still will work for another God knows how many thousand kilometers. Quite a lot.
I said stop filming and work.
Alright, you heard Christos? We're gonna start doing the clutch fan now.
That did it? I don't have your hands, I have my hands.
Yeah. For me it would have taken me like 10 hours to do it. So that's the clutch fan itself.
Yeah.
There you go.
So that's just the fan. How does it actually work?
Basically, it locks this onto this part so it doesn't spin. There you go. Got your part number there. And guess what? It looks to be the original one.
For 260,000 kilometers.
Maybe they changed it before.
But you said it looks like original one.
Yeah.
Original part, but not from the factory. Well, at least this car was taken care of somehow.
At some point.
Many years ago.
Not now, right? That's what you wanna say? I'm packing off clutch fan. That's the new part, that's an old part. That's fucking tough to turn. What? It starts to work. I mean, now it works, so we can put it back in and give this one back. No, man, actually that's a lot tighter. That's a lot tighter. So that's it. It goes back in the engine bay.
Which side was on?
I think, yeah. That. Was it this?
Yeah. Get your fucking hands in front of me so I can actually see.
Yay! That's it. Just close it down. And the car is done. I don't know. That's... How do you open it?
Like this.
Yeah, it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. It was easier to open it from that side. Oops.
There you go.
Oh, there's even the manual here. How to do
Yeah.
it. Alright, so Wolfi is back on the road with no issues. And thanks Christos for fixing the Wolfi.
Now working on a real car.
It's not even a Toyota.
Yes, it is.
Salin doesn't say that.
Yes, it's a Toyota Alex.
Don't know who the
My
fuck
car,
Alex is.
my car, it's my car. Now we're going to James from J-Spot to fix his road legal s13. So that's an SR20DE. By the way, as you can see, it was white before, but it's black.
I wish the guy kept it white, because he did a terrible job at painting the car. And he was a painter, not a house painter, a car painter. Nissan. Why put a strap brace and a bolt right under the strap brace? Now I need to take the strap brace
It's
off.
a factory strut bar.
Yeah, I think so.
What? I didn't know Type S came with a strut bar. Yeah, by the way, guys, this is Type S. As you can see, it has Type X front bumper, Cookie front bumper,
Tail lights.
plus
The reason why I bought this.
Plus, it's got Cookie tail lights and this Type X style spoiler. Plus, as James told me, Type S and Type X have the same style seats, not the normal S13 seats they would have. And as James says, they're super comfortable. Yeah, the only differences between Type S and Type X is the side skirts, which Type S doesn't have. So the spots here on Type X is additional, like you have to pay for it.
I don't know, man. I don't know, but I think maybe there are more cracks in my paint.
Yeah, that's why it's terrible job. 180SX, meaning it's from Japan, because only Japan had 180SX. In Europe it was 200SX, in America 240SX. And the biggest difference between Type S and Type X is that it's not a turbo SR20, it's a SR20 DE, and Type X a DET. And if you see SR20 DET with coil, what is it called?
Distributor.
With coil distributor, that's not real DET, because DET never came with distributor, it came with a coil box. Battery? Yay! SR20 is alive! Why it sounds like a Subaru? Yeah, James was trying to fix his clutch because his pedal was falling in and never coming back. Moment of truth. Yay! It's moving!
Clutch travel is less than it used to be.
Burning the stage 3 clutch.
Yeah. Take it out now quickly for a quick drive around the neighborhood.
Pop-ups. Unbelievable. James from J-Spa gave me to try out my dream car, an S13 Silvia. That is actually quite heavy.
Yeah. We're on a closed road. I don't want him driving on the real road. But I thought he might want to have a little drive because he's a S13 fanboy.
Which cannot afford one, so he drives a BMW. That is so sick with the pop-ups. Alright guys, so I'm coming home already because it's pretty late at the moment. But I'd say I was really surprised when James gave me a chance to drive his baby. Like, it was my first time driving street legal S13. The feel of the car is like opposite of BMW's. Steering output, the pedal, the gas pedal, the clutch output, the brake pedal output is more smooth and like it feels heavier. S13 is more sharp, like the throttle input have to be really smooth with the gas pedal. Clutch is like there's nothing pressing, it has it there, and the gear lever, like I felt it was a bit like weird, I would say, but I drove once in a Celica and I would say it's pretty much the way the Japanese cars feel. So I'd say that Japanese cars are more like spiced up, they're more like shaky, and European cars like E36 is more smooth, more like it's like fluffy, you would say, like everything's really smooth, really easy. You get the feel of everything in the E36, which I really didn't feel on S13, but still I think you can get used to it. Like that's just my experience from driving an S13 for the first time, which is actually like I think like I didn't get disappointed really. Like I knew that it would feel differently because Japanese cars, it's not European and they feel differently. But honestly, like definitely sometime soon I'm gonna buy an S13. Not soon, as soon as I be able making money to buy one.